Hi, Dr. Fennell. My name is Anna Pappas. I'm with Geo Marketing Consultant from Charlotte, North Carolina. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any of your time, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how we can help you bring on new customers, give us a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so it's also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. So let's see what this picture saved as here. There's not a save as. Let's see what your picture saved as. It's just random numbers. We could easily put your name or chiropractor, Macon, Georgia. Just any keyword or key phrase that someone uses to search for a service like yours in Google. Content on our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page only has 603 words, which proves what we usually come across, and that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. So if I do a search here in Google and I put in chiropractors, Macon, Georgia, and I go down to the map section, there are three listings here known as the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your calls by being in this spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have compared to your biggest competitors. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition's listed in. Get in the same directories and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps, which is this section here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency, we're going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition's in, and then get into some places that they're not in, so you're completely overtaking them. This tool shows that you have 76 backlinks, ranking you for 99 organic keywords, bringing about 62 visitors monthly to your website. Now, if we took a look at your competition, which is this company here, Chiropractic, checked out his website here, plugged it in the tool. This company has 90 backlinks, ranking them though for 164 keywords, bringing over 2,000 visitors monthly to their website. So again, you have 76 backlinks, only ranking you for 99 keywords. They just have a few more backlinks than you do, but maybe theirs are of higher quality and some of yours may be spammy because they're ranking for more keywords and they're bringing more traffic to their website. So that's a lot of business you're missing out on. If we click on the keywords here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how we can help grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to us and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.